Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the issue of your cursor not appearing in Windows 11. And now let's get started. If your mouse cursor has suddenly disappeared in Windows 11, the first thing you should try is a simple settings adjustment. Begin by opening the Windows search bar and typing mouse. Select the mouse settings option from the search results. Once the mouse settings window opens, scroll down until you find the option for additional mouse options. Click on this to open the mouse properties window. Within this window, navigate to the pointer options tab. You will see an option labeled hide pointer while typing. To resolve the missing cursor issue, uncheck this box. After unchecking it, click on the apply button, followed by the OK button to save your changes. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.